Hello everyone, I'm Zahra Fatima. Welcome back to my channel. Students, we have a very important update from Osmania University for MBA semester 1, 2, 3, 4 students. Today Osmania University has released the examination fee notification for as one-time chance backlog students for the academic year 2000 to 2019 batches only. Now on screen you can see the notification as one-time chance backlog examination for the students 2000 to 2019 batches. Now the notification has been notified by the backlog students of MBA 2000 to 2019 batches for semester 1, 2, 3, 4 are permitted to appear as one time chance examination, and a detailed timetable will be notified in due course by the university. So students, this notification is only for the students who were taken admission in 2000 to 2019 batches are permitted to write the examination as backlog one time chance examination, and university is mentioning that timetable will be notified in due course. So those students who are interested, they can pay the examination fee for semester 1 to semester 4. The university has resolved to give one more chance to clear all the backlogs as one time chance in MBA for the academic year 2000 to 2001 to 2019 to 2020 batches. So here university are giving permission for the students whoever taken admission in 2000 to 2001 to 2019 to 2020 batches. Students are only allowed to write this examination as backlogs. Now on screen you can see the last date for payment of examination fee. The last date without late fee is 30 September 2024, and with a late fee of rupees 300 the last date is 14th October 2024. Remember students, last date without late fee is 30 September 2024, and with a late fee of rupees 300 the last date is 14th October 2024, and you have to pay your examination fee at your respective colleges. So notification you can see clearly on your screen. So this notification is for the students who were taken admission in 2000 to 2019 batches. University is allowing to write the examination as backlog examination, backlog papers as one time chance for MBA semester 1 to semester 4 students. Now on screen you can see the fee payment structure. The examination fee is to be paid with the penal charges as penal charges per paper for the period in addition to the examination fee. So students, you have to pay penalty along with the examination fee. So for the students 2000 to 2001 to 2009 to 2010, penalty is rupees 4000 per paper, 4000 each backlog paper. Penalty is rupees 4000 each backlog paper, and examination fee rupees 3090 plus 150 for memo. So total fee is 3240 and penalty is rupees 4000 per paper. And up to 2 papers the fee is rupees 1130 and plus 150 rupees for memo. So 1280 is the fee. And fee structure for 2010 to 2011 to 2015 to 2016 batch, penalty is rupees 3000 per backlog paper. Penalty is rupees 3000 per paper, and examination fee is rupees 3090 plus 150 for memo. So 3240 is the examination fee and rupees 3000 per paper is the penalty. And fee up to 2 papers rupees 1130 plus 150 for memo. So 1280 is the fee charges up to 2 papers. For the students 2016 to 2017 to 2018 to 2019 and 2019 to 2020, the penalty is rupees 2000 per backlog paper. Each backlog paper penalty is rupees 2000, and fee rupees 3090 rupees plus 150 for memo for all the papers, and for up to 2 papers 1130 is the fee, rupees 150 for memo. So students, like and share this video with all your friends, and if you are new to my channel, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that future notifications related with your academics of Osmania University will come to you directly. So students, share this video in your friends WhatsApp group so that they also get to know about the update of your examination fee which has been issued by Osmania University for MBA students. So students, thanks for watching the video. Stay connected with us. And students, for the complete guidance and many more updates related with your academics of Osmania University, subscribe to my channel and stay connected with us.